Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start seated with the surgical leg supported and slightly elevated. This reduces swelling and makes manipulation easier. Once positioned, make sure any allowed dressings are secure and out of the way. Use a sock aid or a pillow under the knee to control angle. This prevents strain. Smooth the sock inside the aid so the heel aligns correctly. Take a breath and focus on small, deliberate motions to protect the incision and maintain circulation while you begin. You invert the sock to the heel pocket and spread the opening wide. This creates an accessible sleeve. Once done, place your toes and heel into the pocket and steadily pull the aid or sock up over the foot. Make sure the heel sits correctly before advancing. Then, with slow, even tension, slide the fabric over the ankle and up the calf toward the knee. Stop and readjust if bunching occurs. Keep movement smooth so pressure is even and incision stress is minimized. You finish by aligning the top edge according to your surgeon's instructions. Make sure it does not irritate the incision. Once the sock is on, inspect for wrinkles and creases. These create focal pressure. Smooth them outward with flat palms. Confirm toes are warm and color is normal. If you notice numbness, increased pain, or color change, remove the sock immediately. If problems recur, reapply with reduced tension or use a different size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.